Iris ensata. Iris ensata, the Japanese iris or Japanese water iris Japanese, hanashōbu, formerly kaempferi, is a species of flowering plant in the family Iridaceae, native to Japan, China, Korea, and Russia, and widely cultivated as an ornamental plant. Japanese iris may also refer to I. sanguinea and I. laevigata, both native to Japan. Description: Iris ensata is an erect rhizomatous herbaceous perennial growing to 80 cm 31 in tall, with strap-shaped leaves. The flower, appearing in midsummer, is purple with a flash of yellow on the falls. The bluish-purple color of the flowers is an example of the copigmentation phenomenon. Habitat: widely distributed throughout the Japanese archipelago and elsewhere, I. ensata is very hardy down to 20 deg C4 deg F. It prefers a boggy or marshy environment and soil with a low acidic pH. In favorable conditions, it will eventually form sizable clumps. Cultivation: Iris ensata is extensively grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks throughout the temperate zones of the world. Iris ensata is highly prized in Japan. It is possible that it was introduced into Japanese culture in ancient times in association with rice farming. Certainly it has been cultivated and hybridized there for at least 5 centuries. The hanashōbu Huachangpu, Iris ensata var. Ensata grows in the wet land and is the most extensively cultivated variety in Japanese gardens. According to the place where it was cultivated, I. ensata is classified into 3 strains: the Edo Tokyo, Higo Kumamoto Prefecture, and Izumi Prefecture. Upon being introduced to the West in the mid-19th century, a new chapter was opened in the cultivation of this species. In America, it was intensively hybridized to produce many new cultivars. Perhaps the most influential breeders in the United States have been Arley Payne of Indiana, the Marks family of Oregon, Arthur Hazard of Michigan, and Currier McEwen of Maine. Between them they have produced plants with large blooms and a wide range of colors. In the UK, interest in this plant has been equally strong. The national collection is held at the Marwood Hill Gardens in Barnstaple, Devon. The following cultivars have gained the Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. Gallery.